First of all, they have a lot of composure. They understand the game, and today's game they moved it to their tempo.
Yeah.
They used their tempo to the advantage of the game. So I think going into the Kaizer Chiefs game, since Kaizer Chiefs has high pressure, they should use that composure to go into the game. Same tactics, perfect tactics. Same wingers, because I know Kaizer Chiefs left back and right back.
Seteka.
Aye,
Asifambi kahle.
asifambi kahle but wamina. That's what I think.
Langa libalele namhla siyibonile igoli ebathini Abolros isuka le KwaZulu Natal italana itofuna kubamuka abafana be-TS Galaxy 3 points nduna yami kuthuka belinako nini nibalandzeli ba i-TS Galaxy or bekuthi hayi man bathi beta nophuthu thina uphuthu asudli thina asudli uphuthu
No fears going into the game. Vele, we knew early in the game. First goal came in, confidence khuphuka. Second half they came through again, beautiful assist. Second goal, Mugi confidence, skyrocket like the rockets.
bathi masabolile nduna yami ngasi na una something lehlana nabo bathi langa libalele leMpumalanga bathi ngizakho bathi ngiyena lelimoshi machine bathi limoshi machine amasabolile uphutha lisadleke manje nduna.
Wow. Beautiful game. That's all I have to say for the game today. Thank you for having me. Appreciate it. All to the Rockets. All the way. TS.
TX Galaxy.
Yes. Langal Balele.
All the way.
Sibonge naso ke nduna.